Take down the next question. Exercise 1A, eighth question. Right, question number 8. The question is, if cos A is equals to 5 by 13, find the value. Evaluate sin A. Evaluate sin A minus cot A divided by 2 tan A. Here we need 3 values, students. Previously we were doing only one question. Here how many values do we need? 3, right? Sin, cot and tan. So if you want to find all for all the trigonometry ratios, what are the 3 things we needed? And we have respond for all trigonometry ratios. What are the 3 things required? Perpendicular, base and yeah, these are the 3 things. Now cos A is given. We need 3 things. Any 2 value will be given. What is cos formula, students? See, right answer. Copy the question. Cos A is equals to, yeah, what is cos formula, Andrea? Base by, right, base by hypotenuse 13. Is it clear? Base is how much? Base is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. Draw right angle triangle, students. I'll name this as ABC. According to the diagram, which is 5 and which is 13, which is base for angle A, which is base. Who will respond for angle A, which is base? Yes. AB is 5, which is 13. Is what is missing? BC. What is hypotenuse here? Yes, how do you apply Pythagoras theorem, students? AC square is equal to, very good, very good. Complete. Find the value of BC. Substitute sin, cos, tan. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So that is nothing but perpendicular value. Then substitute in the evaluate concept. Try this. What's the perpendicular students? What did you get? Perpendicular value? 12. Correct. Yes, correct. Try the next. Substitute, right? Sign formula, you have to do addition, subtraction, LCM. Write it neatly, students. Write it one below the other. You get one question for 3 marks. Next, sin A. Sin A is perpendicular. Write the formula. Perpendicular by hypotenuse minus cot. What is cot formula? Very good. Then write the formula. We have the values. See, we have values. You can just write the formula. 2 into tan A. Perpendicular by base. We have all the values. Perpendicular is given, base is given, height is given, hypotenuse is given. Substitute the values. 12 divided by 13 minus 5 divided by 13. Sorry, not 5 divided by 13. What is it? 5 divided by 12. Divided by 2 into perpendicular into base. 12 divided by 5, right? Okay, take LCM. Take LCM in the numerator, 12 and 13. For 12 and 13, nothing is common, students. If nothing is common, cross multiply. I'll write it here. How much is 12 into 13? So you get 156 12 into 12 minus 5 into 13 divided by 24 by 5. Yes, students, how long? Is it tough? What's the value? 144 minus 65. What is 145 minus 65? And how do you write this? First, respond here, students. Stop writing when there are two denominators. The second one, I have to write it 5 into 5 divided by 24. How much is 144 minus 65? 79 divided by 156 into 5 divided by 24. Can we reduce anything? Okay, I'll give the value. I'll give it as too long. If we multiply, this is the answer. Let me check. This is the answer. 75. Check whether you can reduce 156. Nothing can be reduced. So you multiply this. Okay. So let me check. 79 into 5 is 79 into 5. 395, right? Okay. Divided by, tell me earlier. Good. Next. 6 into 24 is 3744. This is the answer. 3744. All of you got it? So now are you all thorough with this kind of concept? Whenever diagram is not given, how to solve? Is this clear? Fine. There are a lot of questions, students. Repeated questions. Don't need to waste time. I'll tell you which one to skip. All are similar questions. We'll skip all this. Hmm. This question is important. 11th one. Take question, right? Question 11. Question 11. The other ones are similar ones. You can just ignore that. Okay, whatever I teach, you will study. We'll try to complete it fast. Question 11. 4 cot A is equal to 3. Find sin A, sec A. Third one is cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay, how do you solve this? It's the same concept. What did I tell you? On cot A? Very good. Cot A. Copy this question. Look here, 4 cot A. Andrea, before cot A, we don't need any value. If x is given like this, how do you find the value of x, Andrea? What happens to 4? Not minus. It gets divided, right? Is there any plus and minus in between? It gets divided. 4 by 3 by 4. In the same way, cot is the unknown value we need to find, students. Cot is like x. Cot A is equals to 3 by 4. What is cot formula? Base by. So base is 3, perpendicular is 4, right? What will be the hypotenuse value? How do you find, students? Same. Draw the diagram. It's the same concept. Okay, we'll skip this. Let's write the question. Will you do it later? Will you try it for homework? Okay, now I'll give you a few triplet values. Triplet in the sense, what are the two values we have now? 3 and 4. So 3 can be here, 4 can be here. We have solved so many questions. Can you just tell me the value without solving? For 3, 4, what is the other value we get? Can anyone figure it out? Usually, what's the other value we get? Yes, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, what are the values you get, students? We used to do like this, right? A, B, C. AC square is equals to 3 square plus 4 square. 9 plus 16. What is AC value? What is AC? 5. So whenever you get 3 and 4, what's the value? Remember this, I'll give you a few values like this so that you don't go wrong while calculating. Now, we call it as trigonometry triplets. Triplet is the value given, name given. Okay, trigonometry. Just make a note, trigonometry triplets. We call triplets, which means the first value is 3, 4, 5, students. Whenever there is 3, 4, you'll definitely get 5. Which is the largest one here? Which is the largest one? 3, 4 or 5? 5. So which is the largest side in right angle triangle? Perpendicular base or hypotenuse? Hypotenuse. So 5 is hypotenuse. Remember this. 5 is hypotenuse. The other two can be base or perpendicular. So according to the formula, it is like this. 5 square is equals to 3 square plus 4 square. What is 5 square? We need to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. We'll check whether you're getting the answer. 25 is equal to what is 3 square? 9 plus 16. Are we getting 25 and 25? Right? Left hand side is equal to right hand side, correct? So this is using Pythagoras theorem, students, 5 square. So what's the triplet for 3, 4 and 5? In the same way, second triplet. Second one is 5, 12, 13. And I'll give you only the common ones. Next we have 8, 15, 17. Remember these numbers, 8, 15, 17. And you have 129 question also. 20, 21, 29. Take down these four. 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 8, 15, 17. 20, 21, 29, and whenever we have 7, 7, 24, it is definitely 25, students. 7, 24, 25 is one more triplet. Make a note of these 5. In all these triplet values, the highest value is the hypotenuse. 13 is hypotenuse, 17, 25, 29. Just go through this, students. I'll give you 2 minutes. Go through these values 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 8, 15, 17, 20, 21, 29. Or you can write it in as numbers. Look here, order like this. See, all the left hand side are smaller values 3, 4, 5. After that, 5, 5, 12, 13. Then for 7, it is 7, 24, 25. 8, 15, 17, 20, 21, 29. Memorize those values. Completed, done. Trigonometry, write it as trigonometry triplets values. Alia, Andrea, Shasha understood. 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13. Whenever you get 724 or 725, look here. If you get 725 is given, definitely the other one is 24. 724, 25. Okay, just practice 1 or 2 days. You keep repeating the values, you'll get it. 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25. Then for 8, it is 8, 15, 17, 20, 21, 29. Okay, next question. 11th question, just ignore. Now tell me what is the third value, students. We have 3, 4. What is the other value we should get here? 5. So what is 3 here? 3 is base, 4 is perpendicular, then 5 is what? Hypotenuse. Even without the diagram, you're getting the answer, right? Right? Even without diagram, you get the answer, but draw the diagram. Now, I'll give you one more question. You'll have to answer. Take question number 12. In your textbook, question 12, cos A is equals to 0.6. Find all the other trigonometry ratios. Now, this time we need to find all the other trigonometry ratios. Total how many trigonometry ratios do we have? Total how many trigonometry ratios? Sin, cos, tan, 6, right? 6. In 6, one value is given, 5 values are missing. Okay, cos 0.5 is given, students. Whenever decimal is given, I've told you to remove the decimal. How do you remove the decimal? You can write it as 6 divided by. Very good. 1 decimal 6 divided by 10. Can I reduce it to the lowest term? 3 by 5. All of you all got this? 3 by 5. What is cos formula? What is cos? Ah, very good. Base by hypotenuse. So cos is equals to base by hypotenuse. What is base value? What is base? Base is equal to 3. Hypotenuse is equal to which combination I told you? What you should get? What's the other number? Very good. So what will be perpendicular value? 4. Even you apply Pythagoras theorem and check, you'll definitely get 4. Is it clear? This is how we have to solve. Copy the question. We already got the answer. You draw the diagram, students. Draw the diagram, find the other values. See, using these values, even right angle triangle is not required. You'll get the answer. What are the other values? Sine value. What is sine formula for sine? So look at these three values and tell me the answer. 4 by 5. Next. Sine is given cos. What is tan? Yes. 4 divided by 3. What is cot? Divided by 4. What is sine, cos, tan, cot? Sec. Sec is the opposite of cos. Cos is 3 by 5. Sec will be 5 by. And what is cosec? Reciprocal. Reciprocal sine. 5 by 4. Is it clear? Of the question, draw right angle, students. You can even do it like this. You'll get marks, no problem. Okay, draw right angle triangle. Apply Pythagoras theorem. You'll get 4. Perpendicular is 4. This is the question, this one. Okay, got the same value, 4, all of you. So even without, yeah, without triangle, you can do it, students. It's the same. But teachers will expect you all to draw a triangle. If not, they'll reduce marks. Okay, fine. Shall we do the next one? Sasha completed. Okay, these are the triplet values. Next question. 12th one is done. 13th one is the same. 13th I'm going to skip. 14th question. Write the same as it is. Write question 4. Once you get your textbook, you can find. Didn't you all get textbook? You didn't get the textbook yet, right? Okay, fine. Look at the next one, students. Question 14. Given sine theta. This time they didn't give us any number. They've given PQ. They've given some alphabet. And we need to find PQ, find cos theta plus sine theta. This is the question. Copy this. Cos theta and sine theta in terms of P and Q. This is the question. Answer. I'll solve this. Look at the screen, students. You can do it later. You can copy it later. I'll solve this. This is a bit tricky one. Concentrate both of all three of you. Sine theta. What is sine theta formula? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. P by Q. Draw a right angle triangle. Name it as ABC. Have they given anything? Sine A, cos A, nothing, right? Okay, now tell me perpendicular students. For angle A, we'll take angle A as theta. What is perpendicular value they've given? P. What is hypotenuse? AC is Q. If you apply Pythagoras theorem, what do we get? Who had joined? Okay, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, what do we get? All of you respond, students. Do it directly. Q square. Hypotenuse square is equal to P square plus the third side. The third side AB, shall I keep it as AB itself like this? Right? So if Q goes to the other side, what do we get? Q square minus P square is equal to AB square. What is AB value? What is AB, student? Square root of Q square minus P square. See, square root of Q square minus P square. This is the answer. We need to find cos value. Once you find this cos, what is cos, students? Find cos theta plus sin theta. What is cos theta plus sin theta? What is cos theta, students? Tell me the formula. Perpendicular by base. Sorry, base by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is q plus what is this one? Q, right? If the LCM is same, what do you take? Q, correct? Then square root of this one. I have to add the denominator, right? Numerator q square minus p square plus p. This is the answer, final answer. Make a note of this. Any doubts? You all have any doubts in this? Okay, that's it. This is how you solve. Question 14. Completed. And from tomorrow it will be at 4 o'clock, students. 4 to 5 is your class. I was connecting at 3:30, right? I have some work. Attend at 4 o'clock. 4 to 5 o'clock I'll conduct. 1 hour. 4 to 5. So that's it. We have to start second exercise. First exercise questions are done. We'll do second exercise tomorrow. So yesterday I gave you all 2 questions for homework. Complete that. And today 1 question, right? 1 question I told you all to do. Total 3 questions. Alia, from tomorrow, if you don't send, I won't let you all in meeting. Not only Alia, all 3 of you are students. Okay? Homework is important. I don't know why you are not doing it. Complete all those 3 questions and send it to me. We'll start second exercise tomorrow. Done? Okay. About Shasha, Alia completed. Okay, enough. Today only 40 minutes class. Tomorrow, from tomorrow, attend at same 4 students, 4 to 5 I'll conduct. Clear? Okay, total 3 questions for homework. Complete that and send it. We'll start the next exercise tomorrow. All three of you all can leave. Attend at 4 o'clock tomorrow. You all can leave.